Yes. Look at it. It looks like they're in Turks and Caicos.
Look at this water, Ann. I'm actually glad I'm getting an aerial view right now.
Me too.
I hope they eat shit. Oh, come on. It's just a matter of time.
Looks like it's sideways, Brian.
Mandy fell by herself. There's no way she's not gonna dump it with her.
Well, Meg.
I like that you can just hear them.
I hope they see a huge striper. I'll get them distracted.
Man!
Oh. This side.
Yeah. Mandy and Megan are out on the paddleboard together. You see them laughing.
Come on, let's go, waves. I got it.
Is that Meg?
They'll never get
The
off.
two of them on one board?
Yes, Mandy is standing up, Megan was sitting on the front.
Oh, that's hysterical.
Please, big fish, swim by.
And now Megan can't get up.
She would go out. She must have